the latest device compatible with Alexa from Amazon has arrived, and could be the most useful so far. The Amazon Fire TV Cube is essentially a Fire TV and an Amazon Echo in one. You can turn the home entertainment system on and off, change your TV's inputs, play or pause the program you're watching and, of course, handle basic Alexa questions like, "What's the weather like tomorrow?" In fact, Amazon expects Fire TV Cube to be so powerful and capable that it will rarely have to touch its TV's remote control. The Fire TV Cube is priced at $120 and is available for pre-order from Thursday. Amazon said it chose the shape of the Cube because the device is designed to blend in with the rest of its home entertainment system. Most televisions have square edges and a glossy black finish, so Fire TV Cube does too. But the design has a practical purpose too. The device does not need to be round like other Amazon Echo devices because it is unlikely to be in a 360-degree configuration. Most people have their TVs against the wall. In the demonstration I received, Fire TV Cube turned on the TV, a soundbar, PlayStation View and the lights of the apartment, all at once, when he heard the phrase "Alexa, I'm home." When your TV is on, Alexa's voice will be played through your TV's speakers.